This video is about the dry setting on the air conditioner. That's the raindrop. And here again, the dry setting with the raindrop. And this video is about explaining what's the difference between the dry setting and the cool setting. Dry and cool. Cool is the snowflake and dry is the raindrop with a minus sign on it. Cool is cooling only. Dry is to dry the air. So on dry, the air conditioner runs quietly with a low fan setting. The difference between the cool function and the dry function is the cool function, just as we all know, goes according to the temperature you set, and it cools the air down as it's going through at different fan speeds, whichever you like. And the dry function runs continuously with a low fan setting, and the fan and the components inside the cooling units are running in an optimal way to remove moisture from the air, thereby lowering humidity in the room. The great big question people had was, does the dry function also cool the air coming out of the air conditioning? And yes, it does. On starting, it was at 28 degrees and has since cooled down to 27.2 degrees. So the dry function is running the air conditioner optimally to remove moisture, the maximum amount of moisture, but it also does cool the air conditioner air coming out as well. So dry function is basically a dehumidifier, but it also air conditions and lowers the temperature a little bit. In an hour, it lowered it about almost 1 degree Celsius. From 28 to 27.2. Meanwhile, it's running at a low fan speed, similar to regular air conditioning, but it's optimized to remove moisture from the air to dehumidify and not optimized for cooling. Here we have the air conditioner powering the air down directly onto the refrigerator, which takes the hot refrigerator air and pumps it outside as well, and pumps new cool air onto the refrigerator.